just changed Mr. B. And we're gonna clean up some of the Christmas stuff. So I'm gonna just take like the ornaments and the garland and all that. Take this stuff from the kitchen, just like the table. And yeah, that's gonna be that. But I have to go get the boxes from downstairs. So yeah. So I just brought the boxes up from the stairs and then, or from the basement. I think I'm just gonna start in the kitchen because that seems to be the easiest place because it's just like all the stuff on top of the cabinets. So yeah, I'm just gonna like pack it in one of these boxes. You got some ornaments?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Alright, we're gonna start taking the ornaments off the tree. And I said, it was funny because I was like, at Christmas I told, a little story time. Oh, my cute little polar bears. I am not taking the Christmas tree down until it snows. And then like, I think it was New Year's Eve is when we had it, but New Year's Eve we had a huge winter storm and it was crazy. We got like, I want to say 6, maybe even 8 inches of snow, and it was crazy. So yeah, I'm going to do a little montage of our Christmas tree before I start taking all the ornaments down. Okay, I just finished getting the rest of the Christmas stuff all put into boxes, and all that's left is just like the main Christmas tree, the train set, and then our little Christmas tree that's in here. But I'm pretty sure you have to like take that stuff apart, and I don't want to mess it up, so I'm gonna have Austin do that. But I just have these 2 tubs and I'm gonna take them downstairs, and I think it's pretty much good. Like, we still have the twinkle lights that are here, and then the outside lights, which I figured we can put in that tub, and then the wreath and stuff as well. So yeah, but it actually wasn't that bad. I thought it was gonna take me a lot longer, and it's only been like an hour. So yeah, I figure it's like 1:30 right now, so I'll take this stuff to the basement and then probably make some lunch. Okay, I just made some lunch. Well, I made Bentley's lunch, and he's just having some chicken nuggets, pasta salad, and a little orange. He's gonna eat at the table, and then I'm just gonna have this market side Southwest chicken wrap because it's easy and that's what I'm feeling today. So
I got mom.
Yummy. Is it good?
Yeah.
Good. So yeah, I think I'm just going to eat this, and I want to watch the like Harry Potter Return to Hogwarts or whatever it is on HBO Max. So I think I'm gonna watch that while I eat this, and then just hang out with Bentley for a little before he takes his nap. And yeah, we're just gonna start this new Harry Potter thing. I like saw a little bit of it on TikTok, and I was like, oh, I definitely need to watch this, but I kind of wish I was watching it at night, but oh well. I'm just gonna like close the blinds a little bit, and I'm gonna let Blue outside actually, but it looks so sunny outside, but it's actually cold. He's enjoying his food though. Oh, thanks. I see you have food. Can you say hi?
Hi.
Hi. Oh, hi, Mom. You gonna eat your food? Eat all of it, huh? Oh, it's not all gone. You still needed a little. Oh, hi.
Hi, Boo.
Hi, Blue. There he is.
Hi, me.
Hi, me.